Welcome to today's tutorial, where I'll walk you through setting up a Wireguard server and configuring it on the Wireguard VPN client for Android. Wireguard is a quick and efficient VPN protocol that ensures your privacy online while using minimal system resources. If you're interested in boosting your online security, this guide is for you. Let's begin by creating the Wireguard server. First, open any web browser and head to the SS Hoshin website. Once you're on the home page, you'll spot a small icon in the top left corner, known as the hamburger icon. Click on it to bring up a list of options. From the menu, select Service. Afterward, you'll see another list featuring various types of VPN servers. Scroll down and choose Wireguard VPN server. On the next page, you'll need to pick a server location. You'll see a label that says Choose Location. Click on it, browse through the available server locations, and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've decided, click Select to continue. You'll now be taken to an account setup page. Fill in your details to create the server. Start by entering a username. If you have an SNI, server name indication, you can add it here, but it's optional, so you can leave it blank if necessary. Afterward, confirm you're not a robot by ticking the reCAPTCHA box and click Create Account. With your server now set up, it's time to download the configuration file. On the next screen, find the option labeled Wireguard Config. Click it, and the file will begin downloading. This file contains all the important settings needed for your server. After the download completes, head back to your home screen. Next, let's move on to configuring the Wireguard VPN client on your Android phone. Open the Google Play Store, search for Wireguard VPN, and install it. Once installed, launch the app. On the home screen, click the plus icon at the bottom right corner, and from the small menu that appears, select Import from File. This option will allow you to load the configuration file you downloaded. Navigate to your Downloads folder, select the file, and import it into the app. If you need to adjust any settings, simply tap on the server profile, then click the pencil icon in the top right corner. For instance, you can add an SNI under the endpoint settings if necessary. After making any changes, be sure to click Save to apply them. Finally, to start the VPN connection, tap the toggle button next to the server profile. Once activated, your device will be securely connected to the Wireguard VPN server, protecting your online activity. That wraps up the tutorial. I hope you found it useful. If you did, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.